Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need Office Dictate available and a working mic. Once done, open your document and position the cursor where you want text. In Word Desktop or Word for Web, click Home then Dictate. This activates listening and displays a red recording indicator. Make sure the correct language and microphone are selected from the Dictate drop-down because that affects transcription accuracy. You'll start speaking after a short beep, so breathe. Then state punctuation out, loud for precise results. Now you'll dictate content and use voice commands to edit. Say punctuation words like comma or period to place marks, and new paragraph to separate ideas. If you need formatting, say bold that after selecting text, or select the last sentence then delete that to remove mistakes. Pause briefly between commands and natural speech so Dictate can parse intent. If you want numbers, speak them directly. If you need special symbols, name them. This keeps your workflow fast and precise. When you finish speaking, click Dictate again to stop recording and then read your text aloud to catch misrecognized words. You'll often need to change homophones or capitalization. Make sure Word saved your changes to OneDrive or your local file, then apply final formatting like headings and lists. If Dictate stops or misbehaves, check microphone permissions, test the mic in another app, confirm you're online, and install Office updates. If needed, restart Word to restore the service quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.